after many years of trying to ensure that Indian authorities will be able to track down the fugitive diamond merchant. I have information coming in on Mehul Choksi. In the latest information, the fugitive diamond merchant Mehul Choksi has been arrested. Remember, he's been on the run for years now in the PNB fraud scam. Mehul Choksi has now been arrested from Belgium. The Belgium authorities have confirmed that the arrest has taken place. India, remember, has been seeking the extradition of Mehul Choksi, one of at least the three big businessmen of the country who had made a run, especially after it was exposed about the kind of frauds and scams they had indulged in. Just to jog your memory, remember the $2 billion approximately of the PNB fraud, in which for now Mehul Choksi has finally been arrested. This is big news coming in. Following a request from Indian authorities, this has been confirmed, and when I translate about $2 billion, I'm talking about 13,000 crore rupees fraud. For years, remember, we had been talking about it, reporting about it. And to give you a background quickly before I go across to my colleagues, remember he was in Antigua. He had tried to look for countries where he could find shelter, would not be arrested. Then he appears to have gone to Belgium, where he was taken in custody. All right, joining me right now, our editor, National Bureau Affairs editor, Munish Pandey is joining me for the latest on that. Munish, good morning. It's big news this morning. Tell us more. How did it happen? Finally, he had been evading arrest for such a long time.
Well, Pooja, this is a huge development as far as the 13,000 crore Punjab National Bank scam is concerned. Remember, there were two prime accused in the case. One was Nirav Modi and second was diamond and businessman Mehul Choksi. Nirav Modi was arrested by the UK police. He is still in the jail. And India is waiting for the extradition order from the UK court so that Nirav Modi can return to India and face the law. As far as Mehul Choksi is concerned, remember Mehul Choksi fled from India, he went to US and then he became an anti-gun citizen. He surrendered his Indian citizenship and is an anti-gun citizen for now. But recently he was spotted in Belgium. He was there for treatment. His wife had made the arrangement so that he can receive treatment in Belgium. But when the Indian agencies, the Central Bureau of Investigation and the Enforcement Directorate, when they got a tip-off that Mehul Choksi is hiding in Belgium, that is the time when the Indian authorities approached the Belgium authorities and they requested the Belgium police to arrest Mehul Choksi. Two arrest warrants. One was issued in 2018 by the Mumbai court and another was also issued by the Mumbai court in 2021. Based on those non-bailable arrest warrants, we have been given to understand is that Mehul Choksi has been placed under arrest by the Belgian police, and it is expected that the Indian authorities will seek further cooperation from the Belgian government so that he can be deported from Belgium to India. But as far as Mehul Choksi is concerned, remember he has played this cat and mouse game for a long time. Remember, he was also spotted in Dominica. The Indian agencies reached Dominica to arrest him, but somehow he evaded and he went back to Antigua. This time also there is a high chance that he will approach, the courts of Belgium saying that he is there for medical treatment and he should be given bail. And once he is out on bail, then things become very difficult for the Indian agencies. But at this point of time, what we have been given to understand is that both the agencies are trying to get hold of Mehul Choksi so that he can be deported as soon as possible.
Viewers, remember, we've been talking since 2018 about this. 2018 was when he fled, the same time when it was reported Nirav Modi also had fled, their family members. And now it appears that in Belgium, even though he managed to evade in Antigua Barbuda, that he tried to become a citizen of the Caribbean nation. But in one of the European countries when he landed, so to say, for medical treatment, look at how his condition appears to have been worsening over the years, he was taken in custody. Tell me more about what you were mentioning, Munish, right now about the two agencies. Which two agencies are we looking at from India that are now focusing on the extradition of Mehul Choksi? What kind of treaties are we looking at? Because after Tahawur Rana, there would perhaps be more details, more expectations that possibly India can pull this off too.
Very rightly pointed out, Pooja. After Tahawur Rana, there is a high hope that even Mehul Choksi should be sent to India. Now, as far as Mehul Choksi is concerned, there are charge sheets which has been filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation, the Federal Pro-Agency of the country, and Enforcement Directorate. Both the agencies have mentioned in their charge sheet that Mehul Choksi is one of the main accused in the case, including Nirav Modi, and Mehul Choksi is a person who not.
Okay. Munish, I continue to get us updates because remember, just to give you a background to jog your memory, Mehul Choksi is a well-known name in India. We are talking about possibly India's biggest ever banking fraud case in the recent times. They siphoned off allegedly about 13,000 crore rupees of public money from the state-run Punjab National Bank, the PNB, one of the most popular banks in India, using fraudulent letters of undertaking. They wanted loans for their business and more that the banks usually give, but it turned into a full-on scam and nexus that eventually that did not seem to be really turning into fruition when he was asked to pay up. But the question now comes in. He's been arrested officially. I reiterate here the big breaking news coming in this morning. Mehul Choksi, the diamond merchant on the run fugitive, has been taken in custody by Belgium authorities. But can India manage an extradition now of Mehul Choksi from Belgium? Because when he was in the Caribbean nation, there were a lot of opportunities that he got to be able to be on the run. India has an extradition treaty with Belgium, and that is what is raising expectations. He went there for medical treatment. However, he was immediately taken in custody. You must know that because India has an extradition treaty or on the lines of it, it's a decades-old pact. It allows for extradition of fugitive criminals if they are wanted for some serious offences, especially when it comes to embezzlement and fraud. So it is one of the layers that we have with Belgium authorities that can actually be pushed right now. But remember, there will be, of course, conditions on it. Our National Bureau of Affairs Editor Munish Pandey, who closely tracks the agencies, is bringing us this big breaking news this morning. This would be official paperwork, I'm sure, Munish. But can we say that at least with Belgium, unlike, let's say, Antigua Barbuda, that India can expect this man now to come and face the law? I'm talking about 13,000 crore rupees.
Well, Pooja, the Indian agencies will try their best as far as Mehul Choksi is concerned. But remember, even in the case of Nirav Modi, when his relatives were spotted in Belgium, the Belgium authorities were not very cooperative because they were the residents of Belgium. So in this case also, the Indian agencies will try their best, both the Central Bureau of Investigation and Enforcement Directorate. But how much the Belgium authorities will cooperate, that is still to be seen. The primary request of Indian authorities has been accepted by Belgium, and that is why we are seeing that Mehul Choksi has been placed under arrest by the Belgium authorities. We have been given to understand is that he is put in at the Belgium detention center. At
Munish, would it be correct to say, for the benefit of our viewers, that this arrest has come also because Indian authorities had been requesting for it? That there's an Indian fugitive businessman there on the run?
No, of course, Pooja, because remember a month back when Mehul Choksi was spotted, there was an immediate request sent by the Indian authorities to place him under arrest because he is the main accused in 13.
Okay, so that's the big news Munish is bringing us. Remember, the moment there was a confirmation to the Indian authorities that he has been seen in Belgium this time, for whatever reason, immediately a formal communique was expressed to and sent to the Belgian authorities that has led to the arrest. Arvind Oja also joins me. Arvind, बहुत बड़ी खबर है. 2018 से हम लोग ये ट्रैक कर रहे हैं मेहुल चोकसी जब से वो भाग निकले थे, लेकिन किस तरह से इस पैटर्न को अब देखा जाएगा? क्या तहव्वुर राना के बाद अब मेहुल चोकसी का भी एक्सट्रेडिशन पॉसिबल है?
बिल्कुल पॉसिबल है, और जो हमें अभी तक जानकारी है उसके मुताबिक बेल्जियम और इंडिया के बीच एक्स्ट्राडिशन ट्रीटी तो है ही, पूजा। और सोर्सेज ने बताया है कि 11 अप्रैल को जो मेहुल चौकसी है उसे बेल्जियम में अरेस्ट किया गया है ईडी और सीबीआई की रिक्वेस्ट पर। जैसा कि मालूम है कि पीएनबी जो बैंक फ्रॉड है उस मामले में मेहुल चौकसी आरोपी है और उसके खिलाफ केस दर्ज है। अब बेल्जियम में अरेस्ट हुआ है तो उसके बाद उसके एक्स्ट्राडिशन की कोशिश भी इंडियन एजेंसीज करेंगी। ईडी और सीबीआई इस पूरे मामले की जांच कर रही है। हालांकि इंडिया और बेल्जियम के बीच एक्स्ट्राडिशन ट्रीटी तो है ही, लेकिन जैसा एंटीगुआ में हुआ, एंटीगुआ में भी जो मेहुल चौकसी है उसको इंटरसेप्ट किया गया था। हालांकि उसने अपने कानूनी दांवपेच का इस्तेमाल किया और फिर वहां से बेल्जियम शिफ्ट हो गया था। लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि इस बार शायद इंडियन एजेंसीज को कामयाबी मिलेंगी, क्योंकि एक तो एक्स्ट्राडिशन ट्रीटी भी है और इस बार जो भारतीय एजेंसियां हैं वो पूरी ताकत के साथ ये कोशिश करेंगी कि मेहुल चौकसी को भारत लाया जा सके। लेकिन फिलहाल की जो बड़ी न्यूज है वो यही है कि बेल्जियम में 11 अप्रैल को जो मेहुल चौकसी है उसको अरेस्ट किया है बेल्जियम पुलिस ने इंडियन एजेंसीज के रिक्वेस्ट पर, और अब कोशिश कर रही है इंडियन एजेंसीज कि उसे भारत लाया जा सके।
किस तरह से इस केस को देखा जा रहा है अरविंद, हमें बताइए, क्योंकि जो व्यूअर अभी देख रहे हैं 3-4 जो ये नाम थे, नीरव मोदी, मेहुल चोकसी, विजय माल्या, उसमें मेहुल चोकसी का अरेस्ट कितना बड़ा माना जाएगा? पीएनबी जो इतना बड़ा बैंक रहा है इंडिया का, 13,000 करोड़ का कह सकते हैं चूना लगाया जैसे बोलते हैं, एंड वो अब ही इज बीन ऑन द रन फॉर सो मेनी ईयर्स। तो किस तरह से इंडिया इसको आगे इंश्योर करेगी? बेल्जियम अथॉरिटीज से टच में रहेगी? क्या इंडियन टीम्स आपको लगता है वहां जाएंगी? अभी
बिल्कुल जाएंगे, लेकिन देखिए पूजा, जो मेहुल चौकसी है उसको लेकर इंडियन एजेंसीज ने अपनी जो कोशिश है उसको भारत लाने की, उसमें कोई कोशिश में कमी नहीं रही। अगर आपको याद हो एंटीगुआ में किस तरीके से हंगामा हुआ था, मेहुल चौकसी को जब इंटरसेप्ट किया गया था उस दौरान भी मेहुल चौकसी ने वहां पर काफी जो अपने कानूनी दांवपेच है उसका इस्तेमाल किया। उसके बाद वहां से वो भाग गया और बेल्जियम जाकर शिफ्ट हो गया। लेकिन जो इंडियन एजेंसीज हैं उन्होंने पीछा छोड़ा नहीं और मेहुल चौकसी को फाइनली बेल्जियम पुलिस से अरेस्ट करवाया। और जो हमें इंडिया टुडे को एक एजेंसी के टॉप अधिकारी ने बताया कि 11 अप्रैल को बेल्जियम में जो मेहुल चौकसी है उसको अरेस्ट किया गया है और जो उसको भारत लाने की कोशिश है वो भी तेज होगी। और ऐसा लगता है कि जाहिर सी बात है कुछ टाइम जरूर लगेगा, ये देखना होगा कि मेहुल चौकसी का अगला मूव क्या होगा। लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इंडियन एजेंसीज के लोग अब वहां पर जाएंगे और ये कोशिश करेंगे कि जल्द से जल्द जो मेहुल चौकसी है जो भारत से भगोड़ा है उसको भारत लाया जा सके। लेकिन अभी की बात करें तो एक बड़ी कामयाबी के तौर पर इसे देखा जा सकता है। पहले भी कोशिश की गई थी एंटीगुआ में, लेकिन वहां से जो मेहुल चौकसी है उसने कई बहाने बनाए, कोर्ट में कई
के बारे में बात करते हैं। अरविंद, आपने 2021 में 2021 यू हैड फाइल्ड अ रिपोर्ट अबाउट हाउ द डोमिनिका कोर्ट ऑर्डर्ड अ रिस्ट्रेंट ताकि वो ना निकल पाए। तो किस तरह से उन्होंने डोमिनिका का, कैरेबियन नेशंस के लॉज को अपने लिए यूज किया, पर यूरोप में या बेल्जियम में स्पेसिफिकली उनको वो अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल रही है?
और देखिए जो ईडी के पास भी केस है, सीबीआई के पास भी केस है और दोनों एजेंसीज ने उसके ऊपर शिकंजा कसा हुआ है। और जो एजेंसी के सोर्सेज हैं उन्होंने इंडिया टुडे को बताया है कि बहुत मुमकिन है कि बेल्जियम से मेहुल चौकसी को भारत लाने में कामयाबी जल्द मिल सकेगी और शायद 1 से 2 दिन में ईडी या सीबीआई में से दोनों में से किसी के अधिकारी वहां पर जाएं। और ऑल्दो जो बेल्जियम में जो इंडियन एम्बेसी के लोग हैं वो जाहिर सी बात है बेल्जियम पुलिस से कांटेक्ट में होंगे। लेकिन फिलहाल जो इंडिया टुडे को ये जानकारी मिली है कि ईडी और सीबीआई के ऑफिसर्स ने रिक्वेस्ट की थी, जिसके बाद 11 अप्रैल को बेल्जियम में अरेस्ट किया गया है मेहुल चौकसी को। आपको पूजा ये भी बता दूं कि जब एंटीगुआ से वो शिफ्ट किया था उसके बाद ये जानकारी एजेंसियों को लग गई थी कि जो मेहुल चौकसी है उसका नया ठिकाना बेल्जियम है और बेल्जियम में इसको इंटरसेप्ट भी कर लिया था इंडियन एजेंसीज ने। उसके बाद ये रिक्वेस्ट भेजी थी, जिसके बाद बेल्जियम पुलिस ने मेहुल चौकसी को अरेस्ट किया है वहां पर और अब उसके एक्स्ट्राडिशन की कोशिश इंडियन एजेंसीज करेंगे।
वो क्यों बेल्जियम गए जब वो आप आपके इंफॉर्मेशन के हिसाब से कहीं ना कहीं एंटीगा एंड बारबुडा में अपने आप को सेफ और शेल्टर्ड मान रहे थे, बेल्जियम जाने की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी?
देखिए पूजा, जो मेहुल चौकसी है वो अपने 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 आप को बचाने के लिए अलग अलग कंट्रीज में वो भागता फिर रहा है। पहले डोमिनिका में उस पर शिकंजा कसा गया, जाहिर सी बात है वो जहां रह रहा था और तमाम उसके जो सीक्रेट हाइड आउट्स थे वो एक्सपोज हो गए थे, एजेंसीज को उस बारे में जानकारी मिल गई थी। जिसके बाद जाहिर सी बात है उसने दूसरे कंट्री का रुख किया और उसे वो लगा कि बेल्जियम एक सेफ हाइड आउट हो सकता है, का एक अच्छा एक प्लेस हो सकता है। इस वजह से उसने बेल्जियम का रास्ता मोड़ा और वहां पर जाकर शिफ्ट हो गया था। लेकिन जब वो बेल्जियम में शिफ्ट हुआ उसके कुछ दिन बाद ही इंडियन एजेंसीज को इस बारे में जानकारी मिल गई थी और इंडिया टुडे वो रिपोर्ट भी किया था। तो बेल्जियम में वो था, इस बारे में इंडियन एजेंसीज को और हम सभी को जानकारी थी। लेकिन जो ईडी और सीबीआई वो लगातार रिक्वेस्ट कर रही थी कि बेल्जियम पुलिस उस पर एक्शन ले, और चूंकि इंडिया और बेल्जियम के बीच एक एक्स्ट्राडिशन ट्रीटी भी है तो फिलहाल उसे वहां पर अरेस्ट किया गया है। और जो हमें जानकारी मिली है कि 11 अप्रैल को उसे अरेस्ट किया गया है, अब उसे भारत लाने की कोशिश करें।
Big news. Arvind Oja and Munish Pandey are breaking this morning for us. Mehul Choksi has been on the run since 2018, one of the big bank fraud scams, possibly the biggest India has seen in the recent years. I'll keep going across to my colleagues. Remember, our friends are consistently getting more updates, but we can get you a confirmation right now. It's a developing story. Chetan Bhutani, my colleague from Business Today, also joining me right now. Chetan, let's quickly jog the memory of our viewer watching right now. Mehul Choksi arrested and how? Back and forth, a chase that Indian authorities have made. What was the case against him?
Well, Pooja, what really happened was the company, which was actually Gitanjali Gems Limited, defrauded a consortium of banks, total tuning to the amount of about 13,000 odd crores, and which was the ICICI Bank was the most affected bank with a loss of about 5,564 crores, and a consortium of 28 banks were literally affected. The second company from which Mehul Choksi and others, allegedly took loans was Nakshatra Brand Limited, Gilly India Limited, and which actually Gilly India was the company which defrauded Punjab National Bank to the tune of about 375 crores, and Nakshatra Brands Limited allegedly defrauded the consortium of 9 banks led by Punjab National Bank to the tune of 807 crores. Well, the ED and the CBI, of course, got after that, and because we know that Mehul Choksi left the country 2 to 3 weeks before the Punjab National Bank scam, broke out and surfaced into the Indian diaspora. And of course, we know there has been a various extradition treaty from Belgium as well. But to the key point of what really the Punjab National Bank scam was all about Nirav Modi, Mehul Choksi combining together, forming various shell companies and defrauding a consortium of 28 banks.
This has brought in hope to a lot of people here in the country after the Tahawwur run. Are we expecting now Mehul Choksi to be extradited? Because with Belgium, we have a treaty. Are we going to push ahead on that? And how? Thank you very much, Chetan, for the latest.